Welcome back to Automotive World. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated luxury sedans of the year, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. A symbol of class, innovation, and refined performance, the new E-Class is here to set new standards in the executive car segment. Whether you're a longtime fan of Mercedes or someone exploring premium options for the first time, the 2025 E-Class is bound to impress with its dynamic design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional comfort. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class arrives with a bold yet elegant design that embodies the perfect blend of tradition and modernity. At first glance, the sleek LED headlights, seamless grille design, and smooth body lines grab your attention. The proportions are slightly more athletic compared to the outgoing model, giving it a more aggressive stance while maintaining that unmistakable Mercedes sophistication. It's a car that commands attention whether it's pulling into a corporate parking lot or cruising down the highway. Under the hood, the 2025 E-Class offers a choice of efficient yet powerful engines. The base E350 model comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. For those craving more performance, the E450 is equipped with a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with mild hybrid tech, generating approximately 375 horsepower. Both models feature Mercedes' 9-speed automatic transmission and come with rear-wheel drive as standard, with 4 MATIC all-wheel drive available for those who need it. Step inside the 2025 E-Class, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that feels more like a futuristic lounge than a traditional car interior. The new MBUX Superscreen system dominates the dashboard, integrating a massive digital instrument cluster and an optional passenger display. The ambient lighting, customizable in dozens of colors, adds a luxurious glow to the entire cabin. High-quality materials like open-pore wood, aluminum, and soft-touch leather elevate the experience, while the seats offer both heating and cooling along with massage functions on higher trims. Technology takes center stage in the 2025 E-Class. The latest version of the MBUX system is faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever before. Voice commands are more accurate, and the AI learns your driving habits to suggest navigation routes, climate settings, and media preferences. Mercedes has also included advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and the optional drive pilot, which allows for level 2 semi-autonomous driving on approved highways. One of the most talked about features of the 2025 E-Class is its ability to integrate with third-party apps and cloud services. From video conferencing via Zoom or WebEx to streaming videos during charging or breaks, the car doubles as a mobile office or entertainment center. There's even a selfie camera for video calls or snapping pictures inside the cabin. It's clear Mercedes is pushing boundaries to keep the E-Class relevant in today's digital-first world. Ride quality in the 2025 E-Class is as smooth as you'd expect from Mercedes. Thanks to the adaptive suspension and improved chassis tuning, the car glides over potholes and road imperfections with grace. The cabin remains whisper-quiet even at highway speeds, making it ideal for long-distance travel. Steering is responsive and precise, and for those who enjoy a bit of driving excitement, the sportier E450 adds a spirited edge without sacrificing comfort. The rear seats have also seen significant improvements in terms of space and amenities. With more legroom and enhanced cushioning, passengers can enjoy a first-class experience no matter where they sit. Rear climate controls, USB-C ports, and optional seat heating ensure that comfort is not just reserved for the driver and front passenger. In terms of fuel efficiency, the E350 offers an estimated 26 mpg in the city and 35 mpg on the highway, while the more powerful E450 still manages respectable numbers thanks to its mild hybrid system. For environmentally conscious buyers, Mercedes is also hinting at a plug-in hybrid variant of the E-Class to join the lineup in late 2025, which could offer electric-only driving for short commutes. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class starts at an expected price of around $62,000 for the E350 base model, while the more powerful and better-equipped E450 could climb to about $75,000 depending on options. Fully loaded with all the luxury and tech features, the top-tier versions may reach up to $85,000. Considering the features, design, and legacy, this price range makes the E-Class a compelling choice among luxury sedans. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to deliver everything buyers expect from the nameplate: luxury, performance, innovation, and elegance, all packaged into a sleek new design that embraces the future. Mercedes-Benz has clearly invested in evolving the E-Class to meet the demands of modern drivers, and the result is a car that doesn't just meet expectations, but redefines them. If you're in the market for a luxury sedan that combines tradition with trailblazing technology, the 2025 E-Class should be high on your list. Thanks for watching Automotive World, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest cars hitting the roads.